Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the unit of the area on the map marker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section, click to the settings option. Scroll down, and in the language and unit section, click to the third option, the unit of area, and here you can select metric or imperial option, and just select one and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.